This new feature will allow staff members to select a discount code from a drop-down menu when they are checking out clients on the online store. So to do this, what we want to do is go to our app drawer, click there, then we're going to navigate down to setup and click setup. Once we do that, we want to go to store configuration, and we want to ensure that we have our discount codes set up already. Once we do, we're going to go to store settings. Once we're in store settings, we're just going to navigate down until we see discount codes. And as you can see, there is an on-off toggle for display discount codes during staff checkout. So we can turn that off or we can turn that on. We're going to leave it on for this, and then we can go to save. Once we go to save, we can see a confirmation message at the top. So to see this, we're just going to go to a client's profile, and we're going to go to make a purchase. So if I add the fitness membership to the cart, I can go down to where it says coupon and select discount code, right? So under select discount code, I just click that, and I have two options. So we can see that one is fitness membership $5 off, which is what I have in the cart. And once I click this, pay attention to what goes on in the total. So if I click on that, the total is going to go down to what the discount actually is. Additionally, if I didn't want to use that particular discount, I could use the other discount that I have set up in my business, which is 10% off all purchases for October 2021. So if I click that, it will apply that discount as well. Right now, we cannot use two discounts at the same time, so it's going to be one discount per transaction. But this is great functionality still for staff. Doesn't require them to actually remember the discount codes or have them written down somewhere where it could potentially get lost. It's all right here, and you can select them as need be, which is great, and it helps the flow for clients, staff, and the business itself.